Hello guys and welcome back. This is Mystery Truth. La Palma Volcano eruption updates. Earthquakes lower in numbers but becoming shallower. The latest information from the government raised that seismic activity is on the decrease while magma output remains very elevated. Emissions of sulphur dioxide have been decreasing for the 5th day in a row, although remain very elevated. On the contrary, emissions of the volcanic CO2, that's carbon dioxide, have greatly increased. All this suggests no near end of the eruption. The increase of CO2 could be an early warning that more magma has arrived at depth, as this gas is one of the first to escape. Looking at earthquakes, the decrease in numbers and overall magnitude is visible, but there is also a tendency of earthquakes to become a little shallower over the past 24 hours or so, if data are correct. Several quakes of magnitude around 2.5 to 3.0 have been recorded at depth of 8 to 10 kilometers, compared to 12 to 15 kilometers as most others so far. It is too early to draw conclusive interpretations, but it could either mean gravitational adjustments by gravitation of rock layers overlying the current main storage area of magma, which is at 10 to 15 kilometer deep, or the formation of new fissures underground known as dikes, which act as pathways for magma to rise with the potential to reach a surface at new location. Houses being destroyed, the lava is still flowing very hard, extensively. It has eaten up a large hectare of the Cumba Vieja region of the Canary Island. Okay, so if you have anything to say concerning this, drop your comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.